as a part of environmental pollution. Now we are going to see about soil pollution. So, what is soil pollution? It is the contamination of soil by the human and the natural activities that causes harmful effects on living beings. So now let us see before seeing about the soil pollution, the composition of the soil by percentage. Mineral matter, inorganic 45 percentage, organic matter 5, soil water 25, soil air 25 percentage. So soil pollution is mainly because of the following sources, that is soil erosion. So movement of the topsoil from one place to another. It's known as the soil erosion. So the sources are nothing but the wind, floods, and human activities like construction and deforestation. So deforestation has become the construction and deforestation has become the major issue. Industrial waste, various pollutants released from industries. Sources, pulp, paper, chemical, food, pharmaceutical, mining industries, and also many other industries contributes to the same. Next is the urban waste. So urban waste has become a major issue in many cities. So dump yard where you have all the waste dumped in a place, it has become a place for that is for starting of many diseases, and also hazardous waste that is dumped they cause some really radiation problems, etc. So sources are rubbish materials like plastics, glasses, metallic cans, paper and rubber, etc. Agriculture waste. So agriculture nowadays we don't do any farming or agriculture without using the fertilizer or pesticides. So having the inorganic and the organic chemicals yields a soil pollution. So excess, that is whatever we use are in excess and they cause the soil pollution. Next is the biological agents, that is human and the animal excreta constitutes the major pollution to the soil. Radioactive pollutants, radioactive substances form explosions. Example, strontium 19 deposits in bones and tissues. So radioactive materials, wherever it found, when there is a leakage of the radioactive materials, they go and they deposit in the bones and the tissues of the human, and also they causes genetic deformation for the future generation too. Effects of soil pollution. So, toxic compounds affect the plant growth and the human life. Hazardous chemicals enter the food chain and they disturb the biochemical process. Nervous disorder is a major problem. Joint pains can be seen in humans. Strontium 19 deposits in bones and tissues. Waterlogging and salinity makes soil infertile. So, salinity is the presence of more number of salt in the water. Next is the control measures of soil pollution. So we are facing a major issue due to the pollution of the soil. So it's very important that we have to identify the perfect control measure and control the soil pollution. It's a need of the hour. So soil erosion must be prevented or controlled by proper plantation. All the waste from the industry and urban places must be treated before release into the environment. Next is the use of the synthetic fertilizer must be avoided. Instead, natural fertilizers must be encouraged. So, due to the presence of excess number of chemicals in the synthetic fertilizer, the soil loses its ability to give good yield. Educate the people about the soil pollution and how to prevent it. Strict enforcement of the environment protection law. So everything not comes by the freedom, it comes by the strict laws and enforcement. So we have to abide by the law. Toxic and non-biodegradable materials must be banned. So, for example, we can see that the plastic polythene bags that we are using, so it should be banned completely. Not only the shops should be banned using the polythene bags, but also the source, that is the factories that is manufacturing the plastic bags, it should be banned. Recycling and reuse of the waste reduces soil pollution. So we should know the importance of the soil pollution and try to help make the earth more sustainable for the future